Welcome back. Now, the fact that PDF documents are much more universal than Microsoft Word documents, you want to be able to import them into Google Docs and then work with them. But the process is going to be slightly different. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a new document, but we're going to open a PDF document. We can do that by going to the File command. We're then going to click Open. We're then going to go to Upload. And then we're going to select a PDF document from our hard drive. So once we've selected that document, we're then going to click Open. Now that we have our document in the browser, we want to be able to then work with that document. So we are actually going to minimize this document right now. And we're now going to access our Google Drive. And we can do that by either going to the search bar and typing in Drive or opening up a separate tab. We're going to click Google Drive. You get this screen, you're going to click Go to Google Drive. And you're going to notice the PDF document that we just opened is in our Google Drive. So we're going to click this document and we're going to right-click this document. And then what we're going to do is we're actually going to open the document with Google Docs. Google Docs will go through a conversion process, and then it will actually reopen the document as a Google Doc and make it editable. So we can then make our edits to this document, which was a PDF document. And then if we want to save it back as a PDF document, once we have completed all of our edits and all of our collaboration, all we'll need to do is we'll need to go back to the File command, and then we'll need to re-download this document, and we can re-download it as a PDF, as you can see here. Of course, there are also formats which you can actually use, but we're going to resave it as a PDF document. And now we have our edited document that we have collaborated with others, and we can now have a new PDF using the sharing features in order to make edits. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.